These are my babies.
Matthew's special attention and care for his plants parallels how much care he gives to himself. 6 years ago, life threw Matthew a wrench.
I have type 1 diabetes. I just kept thinking, I'm going to go to the ER and they're going to diagnose me and I'm going to be a type 1 diabetic just like my brother.
10 years before Matthew was born, doctors diagnosed Stephen with type 1 at the age of 1.
And I've seen my brother with his insulin pump and testing his blood his whole life. I hate needles. I couldn't imagine my life like that. And now here we are. But there you go.
Thank you. As Matthew's lifelong friend, I've watched him struggle with and without diabetes. His healthy recipes and new lifestyle have not only helped me, but many others as well.
And they don't have to replace it or move it?
I do. I have to change it out every 3 days.
Okay.
Even a day at the gym turns into a health lesson for a stranger.
Last me like 5-6 days. This one may only last me 2 or 3 days before my blood sugar starts.
Matthew splits his time between 2 diabetic advocacy groups that he helped start: the Diabetes Coalition at Fresno State and Health on Wheels.
We were at a swap meet and we were doing the mobile clinic, and this gentleman came up to me and I've never gotten emotional about a patient. When I asked him if he was taking medication, he said he had medication but he didn't know how to take it because all of the directions were in English and he didn't want to bother his daughter to read the directions to him. And so that really hit me hard because I was thinking, oh my goodness, like this gentleman is dying and he doesn't even realize that he's actually dying.
For Matthew, seeing that this man might die from diabetes soon was a profound reality check.
Whatever wrench life throws in your way, you'll adapt.
Gardening helps him do just that. From learning how to live a healthy life to growing vegetables on an apartment balcony, proving once and for all, you reap what you sow. For CSU Summer Arts in Fresno, this is Brittney Steele reporting.